Hey guys, before I get into the introduction to this new series that I've got about facility management and the secret to a good facility manager, I want to let you know that this entire series is going to be brought to you by a very cool product designed by actually a facility manager that we've been working with for quite some time. So big thanks to Jim Moland for many years of a fantastic partnership. The product is called Cool Grips, and it's designed to go over door handles. If you've ever gone into a restaurant or a facility and seen tape wrapped around the door handles and it looks terrible, but they do it so the customers don't burn their hands when they open the door. This product actually goes completely around the door handle and slides over it. And not only that, but it looks fantastic. Just a wonderful idea, wonderful product, brought to you by a really great person. So I'm going to put the links below to the website, all of these videos in this series, so go ahead and click it and check it out. I think he's also got some YouTube videos up on how to install them, and you can get a good feel for what they look like. So I'll put those links down below as well. But again, this is a thanks to Jim Moland for just being a great guy and inspiring a great partnership. So with that being said, I'll get right back into the video. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Hey guys, Josh here again with Windy City. I am about to kick off this new series that we're going to do. Really excited about this one. I've been wanting to do it for a long time, and I think it's going to really hit home with a lot of the viewership out there. This next series is going to be all about facility management and the secret to a good facility manager from the perspective of a service vendor. Okay, so and honestly, it's the only perspective that I personally have, that any of my team has, is from through our eyes. We've worked with facility managers that were absolutely terrible, and my techs didn't even want to do the work because they were afraid of what the manager would say. And then we have facility managers. We've had facility managers that have been absolutely phenomenal to work with, and literally to the point where my technicians almost want to go to a location that they handle to do the work. There's a vast difference between the two, and over the years I have come to recognize what is good and what is bad, and what distinguishes that. So I want to share that with you guys in this next series. So because this is from my perspective, and I'm not a facility manager myself, I could be wrong on some things. I could have some opinions or some viewpoints that are incorrect, but that's the beauty of this whole thing, right? So if I am wrong about something, make sure you let me know. Change my opinion, change my perception of what I'm seeing and what really goes on behind the scenes. And that's how we make these relationships last and work even better than they do now. So anyways, I've got a bunch of episodes planned here every Friday. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to watch. We got a new newsletter out this year, podcasts, all the major social platforms. You guys know the drill. But let me know, keep me engaged, keep the new ideas flowing. If there's something that you want to hear, you think I should talk about, shoot a comment below. If there's something I'm wrong about, or you have an opinion on something, comment below, let me know. Otherwise, enjoy.